Hey everyone, in today's video we'll show you how to find a lost or stolen Android phone using Google. So, if your Android phone is connected to your Google account and is linked with each individual phone that you have, you should be able to find it going to Google Find My Device. Now, after you do that, you want to make sure you sign in and you want to select the phone that's linked to your account that you wish to search for. After you do that, it will then find your phone and show you a live map location of where it is. You will then have some options, like you can play a sound to potentially find your phone, like so, or you can secure your device or factory reset the device. I sincerely hope that with this Google Find My Device tool that you will be able to recover wherever your device may be. And if it's stolen, hopefully this will help you to recover it like that as well. So if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.